Hello everybody, today we are test driving Citroen Berlingo 1.5 diesel engine which came in with a DPF, EGR and Adblue problems. Adblue counter was on and all the problems has been solved. Now we are test driving the vehicle with a customer. Sir, can you tell me in your own words, how was your van driving before and how is it feeling now?
When I brought it in, it was very sluggish and had blue issues coming up all the time, telling it won't start. And now that we're doing a test drive, it feels like a new van.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Excellent.
Thank you, Errol.
Can you see black or white smoke outside?
No black or white smoke, no.
Okay, we have another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage Limited or supremedpfcleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. You can reach me on 07533 636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx and turbo injectors and other diagnostic problems. We are the masters. And also we are Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center if you ever need it. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thanks for watching.